Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and as we continue our series on online safety, today we're going to talk about downloading apps, programs from the internet, or even files. This is a big risk because anything that you can download that is stored on your computer, especially executables, give you the possibility to get viruses or malware. So it is very important that if you do want to download software, you need to download it and know where to download it from the correct source. An example of this is many people will get a PC, will use whatever browsers on the PC, and want to download Google Chrome. But very few people actually take the time to learn and check if the download they're actually getting from Google Chrome is the correct one. A lot of websites actually parade as the download source for software, but bundle all sorts of crapware with it. Some of them are mostly, crapware that just are innocent that you can uninstall. But some of them are serious malware that can actually steal your personal information. So it's very important to be careful where you download any software from the internet. That's the idea behind app stores, by the way. App stores have at least that nice side to them, is that they can actually control what is on there and, of course, make it safer. In Windows, the App Store is not really used much because it doesn't have most of the apps and programs that people want to use. So there's still that, downloading of programs from the internet. And that's very, very important to be careful. This relies on your knowledge of where to get software and where to download software. Make sure that you understand where a software needs to come from. If it's Google Chrome, you got to understand that the place where you'll get it is at a Google website. If you see a website that is weird, downloading it, then stay away. But if you see, chrome.google.com, you're at the right site because it's Google that makes Google Chrome. And so on. And limit the downloads of software. Resist the temptation of downloading software that you might see as an ad. There's a lot of those going on. You'll be on Facebook, you'll be on a website, and then it's going to say, you got bad drivers. Click here to download our driver utility. Or, it seems that there's something wrong with your PC. Click here to download our program. It's going to fix your problems. Never does a website know anything about your PC, except at the surface. So when it says, you got bad drivers, no, it doesn't know you got bad drivers. It's trying to lure you into clicking their software as if they knew you had bad drivers, which is not the case. So always resist and never download these software that are, on some websites as ads. There's a lot of those, and I've seen some even on websites that are very important websites. I've seen, here personally, I've seen a weather website, which is a authentic and good weather site, with really bad ads of software to download that make it almost look like you have to download it. Resist the temptation and never download anything except the minimum that you need to actually work, and download it, and make sure you download it from the source where it is actually coming from, nowhere else. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.